Hello billionaire traders, welcome back to another wonderful video episode again. Now today I'll be showing you how you can catch a sweet reversal on gold, right? If you look at gold on the 1 hour time frame, let's even go to 4 hour time frame, you will discover that gold in all time frame rather, gold has been in a bullish trend, right? You can see gold has been buying. If you come to daily, gold has been on a buy trend. But how can you sell on the market that is in an overall bullish trend, right? So now that is why you need to pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you right now. Now, if you apply this strategy, you're going to make good money, not only on gold, on any currency pair or instrument you're trading, right? Another word for these, another strategy I use for these is also called the QML strategy, right? I have a video about this already, but today I'll be sharing more light about QML strategy more, and I'll be sharing with you how I was able to use this QML to catch a reversal entry on gold, right? Now, another thing that I also use here is also what is called the top-down analysis, TDA, right? Now, these two strategies help me to be able to catch a reversal on gold, right? Now, if you understand QML and you understand TDA, which is the top-down analysis, you'll be able to catch a reversal on any pair, Even currently, I'm looking at a reversal on BTC USD. Sorry to digress. Let me show you Bitcoin chart that I'm looking at right now. You can see I'm also using that strategy here to catch this sell, right? But that will be in another video. Let's fall back to our gold. So before this market actually played out, I saw it and I sent the signal across to my Telegram VIP community. If you look at it, this is the VIP room. This was gold before we caught the sell, right? And this is now the after, right? And trust me, the price is still coming to fall down, even up to this particular support, right? Now, how was I able to catch this gold? Let me go on a clean gold chart and I'll be going through top-down analysis to explain to you. Now, looking at this clean chart right now on gold, let's come to monthly time frame, right? I did tell you about top-down analysis to use it as a way of catching a reversal. Now, you don't want to miss out on any of this movement. You can see how bullish gold is, right? So you can imagine the reversal you can catch. Now, this is on a monthly time frame. Look at this reversal here. You see this red candle? All right, this is over 5 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 good months. You can imagine. Now, having identified this, I've decided that I will only be selling gold throughout the month of January, even down to February. Now, if you look at the month of the monthly time frame, you can see we have about 4 candles here, right? We have about 4 candles here, right? Now, if you look at the first candle, right, and the second candle, right, these 2 candles, if you are good with candlesticks, you will know that they are called tweezers, right? They are called tweezers. Now, once you identify this type of candlestick on a very good higher time frame, right, you are about to hit the jackpot. Okay. Now, I haven't spotted this type of candle on the monthly time frame. Trust me, that was why I was able to be only looking for sell entry. Now, for other confirmation, you can see the third candle rather. You can see this third candle also confirm it, all right, that the market is going bearish, all right? And this candle looks like a shooting star, right? And you know, shooting star, they are fond of making price a reversal or letting you to know that the sellers are still in the market. So this is what I saw on the higher time frame that made me scale down toward the lower time frame. Now let me just analyze the market for you. This is the high, all right? Now let's go to the weekly so that we can catch more structure, right? Now I could also see we have a support here. Now this is a resistance, right? Did you see that? So what happened here? We can't do anything much here right now. If you see, the market is still printing higher highs, higher lows, right? So right now we want to catch that sell, and to be able to catch it early, come to daily time frame. What are you going to see? Now on the daily time frame, what I could see is that ever since price left this high, price haven't returned back to this high, you can see. So this is an example of a downtrend, right? An early formation of a downtrend rather, right? Now you can't take any signal on the daily time frame, but the daily time frame will give you a signal, right? A bias of what you should be looking for, right? Because in every up market, right, in every bullish market, there's also a selling opportunity. You can see this selling opportunity from year to year, right? From year to year, from year to year. So what do you want to catch this sell, right? Because this is an impulse. You want to catch that what correction, and that correction based on the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame, it might be a very long correction, right? Now you come to the 4-hour time frame. What did I say? So now on the 4-hour time frame, I spotted that we had this impulse, right? And now we start having correction right now. Okay, now what I did is, okay, let us even use our trend line to follow this trend to also know that when the market is about to pull back or to give you a correction right now. Now you could see that we have a little bit of a support here, right? You can see we have a support here. Okay, all right, that the market is retesting to. But because of this is the low that gave rise to this high, this support may likely not hold, right? So price may likely to come back here and respect this support before, shooting up or going down further. But let's proceed. I caught that strategy QML on the lower time, which is on the 1-hour time frame. Now let me even take this for clarity so I can see clearly. Now if you look at the 1-hour time frame, you will discover that we have something that looks like a head and shoulder, right? Head and shoulder. Now the QML strategy is an advanced form of technical analysis that lets you know that if price, right, you have a structure which is going higher high, higher low, then you now have this lower low, right? Now what does this mean is that price has given you a break of structure here, which is a change of character here to the downside, right? So what you needed to do is to look for an entry, look for that other block here that was initially formed. So if price come back to that zone of that other block, that's where you're going to you go short, right? So you want to go short at this particular level. Now that is what happened here. So I saw that price created a new low, right? Even after we've been having a series of an uptrend, which is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now look at this higher high, higher low. We have this higher high, then we have lower low, right? Did you see that? So what I did, this was the last green candle that was formed, which is the other block that we have here. So we draw it here and allow price to come back into that zone. So this is why I was able to take my sell entry, right? And I send that signal even before it formed. You can see I send that signal to my students, right? Your stop loss will just be above that new high, right? Then you target the initial low. You do see that? That's why I'm saying that the price here may not hold, and even though you're targeting here, it's a very good risk to reward, right? But with this, you have an opportunity to target heavily. So this is how I was able to combine both QML strategy and using my top-down analysis, because on the higher time frame, I was able to see it clearly that we have a tweezer top, right? And these are the candlesticks that are responsible for trend reversal. You want to go look at that. I don't want to make this video so long. Now if you look at the actual video, actual charts that I'm on currently, you can see how we're able to catch it, right? So based on experience, I was able to put my stop loss here, right? But for you to be at the safer side, you may want to put it at the this is accurately where you might want to put it. But based on experience and based on the behavior of the chart, because I was on the chart, I was monitoring this market, I knew that this is a protected high. Price may not come here and mitigate this high. So what happened? Price took a little high, all right, try to create some inducement here for us to go for buy. So if you look at this double bottom here, so the price created an inducement here for those who are waiting for buy entry to go for buy. Then price may want to clear them out and go south, right? And that is the reason why we are still on this trade. I think we entered this trade on Friday, and right now we are holding it down to Monday, right? If you look at it, we've smashed both TP1, TP2, and we are heading towards this area. So what we are risking, we're risking 70 pips to get over 500 pips. So this is just 1:8 risk to reward, 1:8.9 risk to reward. You can see. So this is almost 1:9 risk to reward. And if you are that kind of trader who want to grow a small account, this is the type of trade you want to be taking. You want to be able to pass your Profem account. This is the type of setup you want to take. So the QML strategy help you catch that reversal early. You can see a trend that has been in an uptrend, all right? You can see how we're able to catch the reversal. So you can, if you calculate it from year to year, you can imagine the kind of pips, which is 1:9, right? If you do this even once every week, you're going to be profitable in the market. So if you like this type of content, make sure you follow, and if you enjoy this, put it in the comment section. And if you want me to upload any video for you specially, put it in the comment section, and that will be the next video I'll be shooting. Thank you for staying to the moment. I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe if you've never already done so. Thank you.